All right, we are back to another Credit K YouTube channel. That's right, got my new laptop, new background. Let's see how this works out. So don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, because I'm here every day with credit content, whether it's personal credit, business credit, using that money to flip into crypto, buying assets like gold, silver, cars for Turo, spots for Airbnb, or investment real estate. I'm here to let you know how to use credit and level up in life. All right. All right. So we got a great company here today. It's Citibank, and we're going to talk about the business credit cards from Citibank, which I am a proud member of the Costco City Business Credit Card right here. So I ain't just talking about it. I actually live it, breathe it, and do this credit stuff. So let me tell you how I got approved for my credit card, where I had a 715 Experian and 720 Equifax score at the time, which they pulled those two bureaus in April 2020. So actually about 14 months ago, 15, 16 months ago, I applied. I actually went into the Costco store, closest Costco store to my house, and I was going in there to actually just get a membership. Around last April, pandemic. Actually, it was last May. Pandemic, things were, coming in shortage. I needed some cleaning supplies, toilet paper, things of that nature. So I wanted to go to a bulk store. Sam's was all cleaned out, which I do have a Sam's membership and business credit card with them as well. But that was all cleaned out. So I went to Costco and applied for the membership, and noticed the Costco City had a sign for the credit card. So I was like, let me try my luck for the credit card while I was there. He ran my application on the spot. Took about 10 minutes to get the membership and the credit card. Once I was approved for $4,000. I know, a very low limit, but you can always ask for a credit limit increase. And that's exactly what I did a year later. So I used that card for a year. And then around July of 2020, this year, I did a credit limit increase, and that increased to $8,000. So they doubled my limit in a year. And hopefully by next year, they'll double it again, and so forth and so on. And I will continue to gain points as well as rewards and the great benefits of the Costco membership. Now, they do offer another business credit card, the Citi American Airlines Advantage card. It had no zero interest period, just like the Costco card didn't have any zero interest period. But this card has a $99 annual fee that was waived for the first year. So the first year you don't have to pay the annual fee. So this will be the next Citibank card I'm going after. Probably wait till January or February, let some inquiries drop off, and I will go for that card. These cards are great. Let me tell you why business cards are so awesome, you guys. Business cards do not show up on your personal utilization. So these two cards do not report to your personal Experian Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion, but they do report to Experian Business. So it does help build business credit. I know you guys look for credit cards, so easy way to build business credit. This is a simple way to do it without getting those gas cards and store benders that you really don't need. This credit card is great for that. All you need to do is just join Costco, as well as get a membership. And for the American Airlines Advantage card, skip the annual fee for the first year, but they do give a lot of points, which can be used towards American Airlines flights. So if that's, a airline carrier that you use frequently, definitely take advantage of this card. And you can get to up to 4,000 in purchases. And with the first 4 months, you get 65,000 points, which should get you at least a flight or two with that. APR is very high on these cards. Citi is a pretty prestigious card. They don't approve everybody. So if you are starting your business credit journey, definitely try Chase or American Express first before you go to Citi. just because they're other companies a little bit more lenient on what they approve for, especially American Express. They're not so inquiry sensitive, but everybody knows Chase is with the 524 rule. So now, Citi offers a lot more credit cards. Also, they offer store vendor cards. They also some business business gas cards as well. So once you kind of get into the Citi system, you can easily get approved for those other store vendor cards and commercial gas cards. So definitely take advantage of the Citi bank system. Get in one way or the other. You have to open up a bank account, get in one way or the other, and you will take advantage of these great limits, as well as rewards and perks you get for the business side. Like I said, they offer a lot of rewards and other features for being in the business. Let's see if we can get anything here. All right. So here, powered by small business. This is the Costco card. So I get 4% on gas for the first 7,000 per year. So I definitely use this for all gas purchases. Usually Costco gas is a little bit cheaper, so it's great to use there or at any gas station. When I travel, one of the great cards I use, as well as the notification out of there. Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. Go, get. And 2% on all purchases at Costco. So just, basically going through your life and just daily purchases and daily things that you spend on, you always want to use your credit card, and especially your business credit card, because you get the points, and once you're going to pay it off anyway, so you might as well get the points instead of using your debit card or cash. And it's a great way to, make some things happen on the side, saving that cash for other investments. And here's some other things they do: business credit card rewards. Like I said, these business credit cards are great for rewards. They partner with other business partners like FedEx. You get FedEx discounts, shipping discounts from UPS, FedEx, regular postal mail, restaurant discounts, discounts for QuickBooks. Put it to your digital wallet, add Apple Pay or Samsung Pay, Android Pay. And here's some of the other benefits, some reviews of that nature. And one of the big things, if you do travel out the country, no foreign transaction fees. So that's a big thing. If you're going to Mexico, you're going to Tulum for the holidays, or going back home to any other your home country for the holidays, you don't have to worry about transaction fees or forex fees, foreign exchange fees. They pretty much convert everything for you without additional cost. So definitely take advantage of this Costco, Citibank, or the American Airlines business Citibank card, or just a regular personal Citibank cards. They also give great limits, and some of them still do the zero APR. So that's awesome. They also have some personal lines and lines of credit as well. So Citi is a big bank. They offer a lot of products for you to take advantage of. So you do that. So if you're here this long, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm sure you found some value in this video. And like I said, I'm here daily with credit content. All right. Until next time, later on.